lot of new followers recently for the tarp idea that David had posted about, so I wanted to do an updated video. I know a lot of you guys have scrolled through my account and it's been a while since I posted about it. So basically I'm going to change this out today, so I'm going to show you how that's done as well. So what I'm going to start with is broom, and I'm going to sweep all of it down to the bottom here. And I take the shovel, and this is my poop bucket right now. Alright, and I use zip ties, so I'm going to cut them off. I have their indoor dirt bath behind here. It honestly helps keep the dust down in the rest of the coop. They don't use this space really much back here right now, so I figured I'd put that back there so it makes more space for the rest of the coop. And I end up taking 2 zip ties because it doesn't fit around the 2x4, I think that's what that is, with only one. I like to staple this sag part here up against the wall. Alright, so that is the new tarp. This isn't like a new tarp. This is one I've cleaned before, but up here there were some leftover screws from whatever, so I've been hooking them onto these screws here for the top part. But I would like to be able to put little hooks that hang, maybe even off the side here, not necessarily the bottom, but the ones that I can find are ones that you might use for like a ceiling light or something that might be heavy but isn't going to have like an impact on it, so I don't really want to use those. But that's the new tarp being put up, and I'll take the old one and lay it out in the yard, put some landscape stakes in each of the corner eye hook or eyelets, and then spray it off with a hose, or if it's going to rain, I'll let the rain work on it. And then if it's really bad, I'll like scrub it down with like a broom. But for the most part, the water from the hose gets rid of most of the leftover smeared poop. Alright, well, hope that was helpful.